Hey everybody, welcome back. Thanks for looking at my videos.
Boo!
I don't know if this is your first video, second video, fourth video, 20th video. I don't have 20 videos yet, so if it's your 20th, you've been watching someone else. Anyways, I've got the M5 behind me. I'm running a cable. Let me show you what I'm doing. I realized as I was editing that I never put in a final product. This is what the Avin looks like after install. When I start it up, I have it automatically bring up the iBus app. The iBus app is awesome. It shows all the different levels from all the different units in your car. You can see, your range. You can see oil temperature, your coolant temperature, a bunch of other stuff. Also, one of the cool features is you can go into here and you can go into coding, and you can select your different control units and change stuff. So you could go in your LCM, and I have it so you can do you go, oh wait, never mind. Come on. Yeah, you just do the, whatever you call it, the signal, and it does it 6 times. Pretty awesome. So anyways, you can do all these different coding things. You can go into your DSP, and this is the reason why I use iBus in my E39. This is the main reason why I use the iBus app in my E39, because it has a DSP amp, and most of these aftermarket units don't communicate with a DSP amp. So you use this, turn on my car, iBus app pops up, and it turns on, sends the turn on signal to the DSP amp, and it works perfectly. So then I can go into, oh, it should have come up. Sometimes it takes a little bit longer to work, but I use AutoKit for CarPlay. That's one of the main reasons as well why I got it. So you go into AutoKit, and let's see if it recognizes it. It's taking a little bit longer. There we go. And then it connects. So then once it connects, you have wireless CarPlay, which is amazing in a 2001. And there you go. So I have a new head unit. I'm running the cable. Plugs into the harness here, and I run it up there. Problem is that you have to take off all this stuff. Now, I already took it off when I was redoing my interior. All I'm doing is pulling back the carpet, pushing this down, and moving forward. But once you get to about here, the seat's in the way. So I already removed that, and I'm gonna pull the seat out. Here we go. Oh boy. Can I do it with one hand? No way. Yes. All right. Now I've got to unplug this. Yeah. Come on. Ah, there we go. Yes. All right. Oh, I already disconnected the battery. Don't do that if you didn't disconnect the battery. Don't do that. Airbag lights are a pain. All right, so pull this foot guard off, whatever you call it. Put this here. Oh, okay, good. It didn't break. That didn't sound good. Push the cable down. Oh man, now I've got to remove this. So now I have to get this up through here, over to here, which means this is gone, this is gone, this comes out, and this comes out. So let's do that. So pull the seat out, putting these back in. Oh, oops. I forgot. I need the bracket, and I can't find it. It's somewhere in here. Anyways, put the plastic back on, put this cover for the seatbelt, put this trim back on, put the screw here, and I think I can put the seats back in. Oh. Oh, all tight. I know this looks like a mess right now. I'll clean it up later, I promise. Oop. Sorry, buddy. I hope you understand how difficult this is with one hand. Woo.
I made this for you!
Yep, battery's dead. Unbelievable. New day. Found the bracket, gonna put it back in. So these have to go behind here. And doesn't move because Alright, I grabbed something to hold the camera. There we go. While I was picking up my camera, I figured it out. Go low. So this can go low like that. See how it goes down. So bring it down here and then push up and then it'll fit in. Then you can put the screws through. Oh yeah. Oh, my reflection. Gross. Yep, that's perfect. And then I have the trim piece that goes over that. So that is gonna work really well. Maybe. All right, so I did all the boring stuff, got the screws back in, and little screws up here. Oh, it's in place, doesn't move around. Yes. All right, so now I can put this trim piece back on, if I do it right. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 2 on top. Yes. Trim piece in. Oh, that looks great. Trim in. Trim in. Oh, still missing one screw. Put that in. Oh man. That looks great. I'm really happy with this. And there you go. Head unit installed. The head unit is installed. Beautiful. Thanks for watching the whole video. I'm sure you watched the whole video, right? The whole, like, beginning to end. You watched the whole thing, right? Super important to me. Like, comment, subscribe. Do all that jazz. I'll do a review of the Avin Avant 4. That's the head unit I just installed. It's my third one. Super happy with them. Let me know.